This time we start reaching out of a table. We'll have a first look at reference fields. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. I'll add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records, and then let's start this time with Alice, with Beth, with Carol, with Dawn, with Eve, and with Fiona maybe. And if we go to the configurator, let's give the field a proper name, which is by coincidence name, and the table, let's call it women, because it's all about women. And now, first time we create now a referencing field, let's call it mother, and we have to refer to the same table because we only have this table right now, which makes it actually a special case because we create a self-referencing table. And also the field we have to reference, we have to specify also only this one possibility. And now it looks like this, and several things changed, you may have noticed. The one thing is the regular fields you already know, you can enter any text you like. Next to it is the referencing field, and it has always a special character as the first character, indicating that it is a referencing field. And you cannot enter any free text, but you will always get presented with a drop-down list. So in that case, the drop-down list of all the options we have on the left-hand side, because this one is referencing to the second column in here. Second speciality is that every reference field has a default value, or per default always a value that's called no reference, which is the undefined value, which is always available. Before we start bringing that to life, maybe let's move Eve up, and then let's go to Fiona, and maybe we take Dawn for that. You can also, for example, enter and go to Beth and confirm again. You can also go in there and start typing in sort of a quick search and confirm, or you can just enter an E and cursor up, and E cursor up as well, and then it looks like this, for example. So this is already a lot about referencing fields. Maybe for terminology, this field is referencing and this is being referred to in that case. It's a bit awkward maybe in that case because it's all in the same table. It will be easier in other examples later on, but for the time being it's like that. You might have noticed that there also, the moment we created a referencing field, there have been those errors showing up, and this has the following meaning. Mother is actually having one outlink, and name correspondingly is having right now one inlink, and that's what's visualized over here as well. And of course there's much more to referencing fields and to Embrace in general, but that'll be another story.